Caramoan, I am Daryl at ito ang Bakasyon ni Juan.
The cab up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal.
So we're now exploring Caramouan Island, so let's go.
We can live the dream, we can be so unreal. Living in high speed, love is so insane like that. Want your lips on me, ooh. Hear you say I can sleep where you sleep. From the cab up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor.
Yung first stop namin dito sa Caramouan Island is itong Lahoy Beach at makikita nyo napaka-virgin ng island na to, and the good thing about this island is merong accommodation available dito. So if you want aircon room, pwede, and may mga cottages. So what you need to do lang is pumunta kayo dito sa Caramouan Island, dito sa Lahoy Beach, at makikita nyo yung ganda nitong island na to. So let's see!
Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal.
Our next stop dito sa Caramouan Island hopping, at makikita nyo sobrang ganda ng beach na to. Panalo ang ganda ng dito ng sand, and later yung rock formation makikita natin kung gaano din kaganda. So this is really perfect na puntahan dito sa Caramouan. Basically para tong paraiso na hindi pa nadidiscover ng karamihan, as in sobrang virgin ng island na to, walang nakatirang tao, and panalo yung view dito. So I hope na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramouan, and looking forward na ma-discover nyo din ang ganda nitong island na to. And this is, so ayun, dito is really perfect na puntahan para magkaroon kayo ng sobrang Instagrammable na picture, and panalong panalo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramouan, and I hope na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramouan. So nasa isla tayo ngayon ng Sabitan Laya, at makikita natin dito, it's like nagpunta ka ng Palawan, at napakaganda ng rock formation dito, and at the same time sobrang ganda ng buhangin. And ito yung place kung saan isi-shoot yung Survivor dito sa isla, and I really love this island. Sobrang panalo sa ganda, and as you can see, andun yung setup ng Survivor. Hello guys, it's our day 2 here in Caramouan, and we will now explore some of the island here. So samahan nyo ako tuklasin kung ano pa yung mga naitatagong gandang isla ng Caramouan. So let's go! Had a truckload to drink, Darrell Island. So, I claim it. So this is really perfect na place here in Caramoan. Actually, ang daming magandang place na sobrang ganda, sobrang Instagrammable. And this is one of this island. So I hope na mabisitan yung lugar na to dito. Mga 20-minute boat ride lang to from the mainland. And that's why sobrang accessible. Sobrang daling puntahan at makikita nyo dito yung rock formation niya para nasa Palawan ka. So ito yung pinakang top nitong Rockies na to at makikita natin dito yung ganda ng island and sobrang panalo yung view dito. And I hope na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramoan. And this is it.
You can live the dream, you can be sorry. Living in high speed, love is so insane like that. Want your lips on me, ooh. Hear you say I can sleep where you sleep. From the cab up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so.
What can I say about Caramoan? Sobrang ganda, sobrang virgin ng island dito, and I love the place. And panalo yung mga view dito. By the way, this is, I don't know what this island, pero if makikita mo dito is para kang nasa Palawan. And the sand here, sobrang fine, sobrang perfect, and the water is so clear. Sobrang panalo, and I hope na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramoan, and this is really perfect. I love this. Kung kayo dito sa Caramoan Island, I highly recommend Copacabana. Sila na yung mag-aasikaso ng food nyo, ng tour nyo dito sa Caramoan, and yeah, the best experience, and I hope na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to dito sa Caramoan. And ito yung place nila, air-conditioned room, and nagsaset na rin sila ng pagkain for minimal amount lang. So this is panalo, and see you guys sa next adventure. This is Darrell at ito ang BakasyunNiJuan.
Hi everyone, I'm Makoy Suliman, the leader of Team Yapak Travelers, and if you wanted to join our next Caramoan trip, like our page, Team Yapak Travelers, for more updates. Thank you!
Caramoan, you should one of your bucket list. Yan. Fulfillment. Nakapunta ka dito, sulit. Sulit na sulit.
Hello! Oh my God, it's my first time here, pero nagdyan ako sa malapit. So, from this place to our home is like 2 hours drive, tapos papunta dito naman by boat 2 hours din. So nandito na ako sa place na to for like 34 years. Pero ngayon ko lang ito nakitang gem na tong place na sobrang ganda. Para pala siya kagaya ng pinagpunta ko Cebu, Boracay, Palawan. Pero yung sariling atin, ngayon ko lang siya nakita. So, I invite you all na puntahan niyo itong place namin. So, sobrang ganda dito sa Bicol. So, I welcome you all here. So, visit our place, visit Caramoan.
Okay.